Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. It's been adding positions onto Bitcoin here, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. My account 564, pretty much even on the week. It lost whatever gains it had that week, which sucks a little bit. You can see my Bitcoin trades where they've been adding. I added half a Bitcoin 3 hours ago. I managed to catch a bottom at 81,500. I posted on X. I added here and here as well at 82 and 83. So I'm a little bit negative, 1,100 negative. It's a 2 Bitcoin trade right now. $13,000 trade. And I've got multiple orders down. 80K, 72K, 78, 76, 73. Let's go into the technicals. The market starting pretty getting hit in the open. Tech stocks down. They were down on Friday, massive 4% on Meta, 2% in pre-market. Tesla 3.5% on Friday, 6% in pre-market. Nasdaq getting annihilated right now, which sucks. On the Trump tariff expectation tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, on April 2nd, he said it's going to be tariff day. And the market does not like this tariff talk or anything to do with tariffs. And you can see this lines up on April 2nd here. This is the chart for Bitcoin. You can see the major areas of support. The major one is at 73K, and we also have one at 69K. Now, the 73K one is important because you can see that it lines up with April 2nd, but you can see multiple targets of this rising wedge is targeting 78K. But if there is a spike down, there'll be huge support at 73 and 69. Now, if you look at the main trend line that goes back months or even years to 2023, the main trend line would pull back to 70K. So just keep that in mind. And I've got orders on these supports. So you can see 78, 73, 69. And you can see my orders on Bitcoin, 78, 76, 73, 69. I've got buy orders all the way down. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. Descending broadening wedge, which is actually a little bit of a bullish pattern. But again, the tariffs are in 2 days and everyone is expecting a drop. Do I see any other patterns right now? I would say not really. No major kind of, could say that's a little bit like a symmetrical triangle. We've got a little bit of you can see descending triangle here. If it manages to hold. Bit of a descending triangle which can break out to the upside. But again, the supports are where I've got the orders. So if you're going to take longs, take them off 78, 73, 69. Make sure your liquidation is below 69. And you can see again all the orders I've got down, and I've got my liquidation is below 76, but I will add more margin if we pull back more. Let's go quickly into Ethereum. Ethereum 1800. Ethereum is looking good to buy soon. 1700 and 1500 massive supports. It broke a huge trend line on Ethereum that goes back years. Crazy. It looked like we were going to break out. It tricked everyone and then it fell back massively in this triangle. But you can see that if it gets a bounce here into the triangle, it's very good news. However, right now, on the weekly, we are heading down. On the daily, we're heading down. Stochastic oversold though. It activated the trade actually from a while ago. That trade is now active. But again, the big supports are at 1750 and 1485 on Ethereum. And again, on Ethereum, I've got those orders at 1500. I didn't have one at 1750. We're very close. I would think if there's some panic, it could hit 1500. The big support on Ethereum, if we go into the weekly, the big support on Ethereum is this blue line. Also, one is where we are right now, and the second is this blue line, and I would say it's around 1500. So I'm just going to leave that. I've got a 50 Ethereum long. I'll lower that because Ethereum is not doing so well. 20 Ethereum long at 1500, and I've got those orders for Bitcoin, and I've got my Bitcoin trade currently negative 1,200. It's a 2 Bitcoin trade, and the orders are set down. That's my updates in the market. Join us in the Telegram, 834 of you. The markets are getting owned because of Trump and the tariffs at the moment. So just keep that in mind. It was good that we sold Tesla in December, and now altcoins, and now we're able to buy back in. But again, just make sure that it can go pretty low. So just keep that in mind. I added more to Bitcoin to trade higher low Sunday, have more orders laddered down. And you can see my live trades and what I post on X. All the links are down underneath the video, down below. Bybit 60k bonus, Weex $200 bonus just for signing up, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram to join us in there. Some of your comments. James, please do a giveaway here on YouTube. Okay, where's the support on Solana in your opinion? If there's more requests? What's up, broski? I'm your old student. If you remember me, I would say XRP 50 to 100x market cap doesn't. No, it's already massive. If you did a 50 to 100x market cap, it'll be more money than on Earth. So not really. I don't think so. XRP, you missed the meat of the move when it came up to $2.80. When it comes down to a major support, that could be a good time to buy. Everyone's expecting a big dump. What's going to happen? Drift, Virtuals, Core, Link, those are his favorites. EU warning is very concerning. People discussing. I think the markets are quite oversold right. We don't know how low it goes on this panic on the Trump tariffs, but the markets are hating this Trump tariffs, and it is dropping the markets. But we sold mostly in December, so now we're DCAing down, but it is getting pretty bad. Which was actually predicted by that guy that said, be careful when Trump gets in, it's going to drop. He predicted it exactly right. I'm DCAing down. Luckily, we sold up in around December. Now DCAing down, but just make sure you've got low buy orders. You don't know how low it can go. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Have an amazing day. Think positive, be positive, help people around the world, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.